Hi everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to unsubscribe mail in Gmail. To begin the process, open the Gmail application first. Now once you're at the Gmail app, you need to find the mail that you want to unsubscribe. You are getting a random mail from the website or any application that you have created your account on and you want to unsubscribe it. So I'm just gonna go and unsubscribe the eBay emails. Tap open the eBay mail. Once you open the eBay mail or any other mail that you want to unsubscribe, you need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and there you will find a unsubscribe link already in that mail. So to unsubscribe from this mail, you just need to tap that unsubscribe with a underlined link. Tap that and it will redirect you to the Google Chrome, where you will need to tap on unsubscribe and you won't be getting any mail from eBay after that. Tap that unsubscribe text box, and with that your email preference will be saved and you will no longer be receiving any kind of email from eBay. So this is a way how you can easily unsubscribe mails that are unwanted to you. The unsubscribe link is already within the email. You just need to look for that link and you will be able to do it. So this is how you can unsubscribe certain mails. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.